Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor based on postal code in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add code in header.php file. So we are in file manager. Now you see header.php file, right click on it and then click on edit. Now file is open. So you can add code in PHP or HTML website in head section or header.php file. So we are going to redirect visitor based on their postal code using JavaScript code. Now paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So someone visit on our website. So we are going to redirect visitor based on their postal code on different links like web page, custom URL, and then you see script tag, variable page 1. So this is our link, page 2, this is our link. So you can add link according to requirement and then you see ipinfo.io JSON. So we are going to get visitor postal code by using this link. So this is our API request and then you see data.postal. So this is our postal code and then you see data.postal. So this is our another postal code. So when someone visits from this postal code, then redirect to page 1, and when someone visits from this postal code, then redirect to page 2. Now open this link and then you see all detail IP, city, region, country, postal. You see postal code we added in custom code. So we are using US IP address. Now back to code and then you see we are using if condition. If you want to add more postal code, now copy this and then paste and then add your postal code here and then you see page 2. So change this variable page 2 and then scroll up, you see we are using variable page 2. Now copy this line and then paste and then add your page link, then change page 2 to page 3 in custom code. So this is our postal code. Now click on save and then you see success message. So this is our website. Now enter, you see website now redirect to other link because of cache. Now copy this link, go to another browser. So now paste link. So this is our website link. Now enter and then you see redirect to our website and then again redirect to btdigital.ch. We added this website link in custom code. Again open our website. Again you see redirect to btdigital.ch. Now back to code. So in code you can add custom link according to requirement and then you see postal code. So you can add postal code according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.